3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic U2. Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Okay, and that's not my guitar on fire. It's just a little smoke effect. Alright, so I'm in standard tuning A minor. If you want to play along with the record, put the capo on first fret and play the same things I'm teaching you, okay? Alright, so we got the basic chords. A minor, 1, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, F major. So I'll play F like this. First fret B, second fret G, A3, D3. Basic verses and part of the chorus. Someday, buddy, someday. And then they have another part that goes. That's C major. I kind of break it down to D minor. 1, 2, 3. D minor. Okay, so that's the two main parts. We got two more parts. We got the intro. It's basically over the A minor, C and F chord. So, but that's how the song starts. So let's learn that if you can. That's D, G, B string starting on 7, 5, 5. And you pick D, G, B, G. And that's an A minor up here. And then we have a C major here. And that's 5, 5, 5. Pick D, G, B, G, and then F major like this. That's 3, 5, 3. Pick 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. And also, if you want to make it more full, you can pick the low A string. Intro, and after that they go to the C part. How long do 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 bow now do do do. Then the drums and the song kicks in. We have one more part coming up. say this Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday. Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Then go to E flat. E flat major to D minor to C major. So it's not very many places to do E flat major. So let's just pick 6, 8, 8 starting on the A string. And then pick 5, 7, 7. And then C. I'm picking A, D, G, D. Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Sunday, Bloody Sunday. I think that only happens once in the song. I'm not 100% sure about it. And after the next verse and chorus, go back to How Long part, which is C. How long? With the intro. Cool. Fun. Works great on the acoustic guitar, right? So yeah, just remember that if you want to play along with the record, capo 1, same things. Cool. Thanks, guys. Have a great Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.